Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's probably crossed all our minds at some point. 10 ways to make your crush fall in love with you. But let's get one thing straight before we jump into this. Relationships aren't about manipulation or control. They're about connection, vulnerability, and shared experiences. So, what can you do to increase the chances of your crush falling for you? Let's find out. 10. Authenticity is key. You've heard me say it before, and I'll say it again. Authenticity is the secret sauce to any meaningful connection. Be unapologetically yourself. People are drawn to genuineness like bees to honey. 9. Cultivate self-love. Before you expect someone else to love you, you need to love yourself. Confidence is attractive, and when you radiate self-assurance, it becomes contagious. 8. Show genuine interest. Engage in their passions, hobbies, and interests. Ask questions, listen actively, and show that you genuinely care about what lights them up. This creates a sense of emotional intimacy. 7. Be supportive. Support their goals and dreams. Be their biggest cheerleader. When they see you as someone who lifts them up, they'll naturally feel more connected to you. 6. Humor goes a long way. Laughter is a universal language. Sharing a good sense of humor creates positive associations and makes spending time together enjoyable. Remember, it's not about being a stand-up comedian, it's about sharing light-hearted moments. 5. Practice vulnerability. Open up about your thoughts, fears, and aspirations. When you're vulnerable, you create a safe space for them to open up as well. This vulnerability nurtures a deep bond. 4. Be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are meaningful relationships. Give your crush time to get to know you and to develop their feelings organically. 3. Demonstrate respect. Respect their boundaries, opinions, and individuality. Show that you value their autonomy and independence. 2. Thoughtful gestures. Little acts of kindness go a long way. Remember their favorite coffee order or surprise them with a thoughtful note. These gestures show that you pay attention and care. 1. Create memorable experiences. Shared experiences create lasting memories. Plan activities that allow you both to bond and create stories that you can cherish together. Remember, folks, the goal here isn't to make someone do anything. It's about fostering a genuine connection based on mutual understanding, respect, and shared experiences. Relationships are a two-way street, and the best ones are built on a foundation of trust and authenticity. Also, download the free approach blueprint to learn how to meet and attract women anywhere. So, there you have it, my top 10 ways to nurture a meaningful connection with your crush. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And as always, stay true to yourself, embrace vulnerability, and let love unfold naturally. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care.